Hi guys, today I'm gonna share how to make steamed potato wraps. I like making healthy evening snacks for my children. This is part of their meal and I always pair it with high protein food that is purely plant-based. This is a very simple recipe, and as you can see we have our wraps. With me also I have steamed potatoes. I steamed them with paprika, with black salt. I added some lemon in it just to make it tastier. And then there you have the avocado. And then I just fold them into this cylinder kind of shape. And then I cut it into two. More than this, I want to share my experience as a homeschooling mother. I have 4 children with me. Actively, 2 are in school. And so one of the things that I had to learn was keeping time. Because the moment you wake up late, everything runs late. And you see, for my sons, the older ones who are about 10 and 8, they attend a virtual school. It's an online school. And so because of the time differences, their teachers are usually in time. And so that is something that I had to learn. And as much as I have 4 children, they all have different needs. They all have different personalities. They have different likes, dislikes, generally different dispositions. And so just striking a balance, as a mother, and also helping out in classwork without being impatient was an art that I had to learn. Because you can homeschool your children, but the attitude that you bring in this work will determine whether it will be a success or not. And the truth of the matter is this: we all face different kinds of issues in life. We all face different kinds of perplexities. But the least that we can do is to spill them to our children. And so to all mothers out there who are trying to find the balance, I just want to encourage you that this is doable. You're able to do it. Oftenly, you'll feel like a failure, but keep trying.